Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the last subdivision in the second question in exercise 4.1. Let us look at the problem. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So let us first understand what was given to us. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. So let's note down the distance. Distance is equal to 480 kilometers. Now let us assume the speed of the train to be s. So speed of train is going to be equal to s kilometers per hour. Okay. So now let us understand what will be the time taken by the train to travel a particular distance. So we should know the physics formula. Time taken by a train is going to be distance by speed. So in this case, the time taken by the train will be 480 by s hours, because everything is in kilometers or kilometers per hour. The time taken will also be in hours. So now the second part of the statement is, if the speed had been 8 kilometers less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to travel the same distance. They have said that if the distance is going to be traveled by the same train but with 8 kilometers lesser speed. So now the speed is become s minus 8. The distance traveled is going to be the same 480 kilometers, right? So 480 divided by s minus 8. In this case, the time taken will be 3 hours more than this. So I'm going to phrase this as, time can be written as 480 by s minus 8 minus of 480 by s is equal to 3. So I have to reorganize this particular expression to get a quadratic equation which we need to solve. So now let us rearrange that. So I'm going to take LCM first. So this means 480 s minus of 480 into s minus 8 divided by s into s minus 8 is equal to 3. I've just taken the LCM of the left hand side. Now let us try to simplify and then we will see how to proceed further. So this is going to be 480 s minus 480 into s is another 480 s minus into minus is plus. Let's calculate what is 480 into 8. So this is 0, 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 4s are 32, plus 6 is 38. So this is going to be 3840 divided by s into s minus 8 is equal to 3. So plus 480s and minus 480s will vanish. The equation will be 3840 divided by s into s minus 8 is equal to 3. I'm going to divide the numerators or both these numbers by 3 in order to get a smaller number. So let's divide this 3840 by 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, remainder 0, 8 is brought down, 2s are 6, so 24, which is 8, and then I have to put a 0. So this is 1280 by s into s minus 8 is equal to 1. So now comes our quadratic equation. So s into s minus 8 is equal to 1280, or s squared minus 8s minus 1280 is equal to 0. Now I have to split the middle term. So I'm looking at drawing a factor tree for 1280. So 1280, I'm looking at it as a product of 4. So 4 into 320. I'm retaining the 4 as such. 320, I'm dividing it as 4 into 80. So this 4, I'm putting it as such. This 4 also I'm keeping it as such. 80 I'm dividing it as 2 into 40. Now let us see, 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32. So this much is 32 and this is 40. So 40 into 32 is 1280, a difference of which I can write as minus 8s. So let's split. So s squared minus 40s plus 32s minus 1280 is equal to 0. So s into s minus 40 plus 32 into s minus 40 is equal to 0. So s plus 32 into s minus 40 is equal to 0. So s is equal to 40 or minus 32. Remember, the speed of a train cannot be negative. So s cannot be equal to minus 32. So the speed of the train is going to be 40 kilometers per hour. So please make a note of that. So you need to close the statement. Speed of the train initially is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. So this word statement is very important. So with this, we have found out what is going to be the initial speed of the train. Then if we have to calculate, please verify if they've asked how long will this distance be covered in particular speed. If any such questions are asked, ensure that you do those additional calculations as well. So in the first case, 480 kilometers, if I travel at a speed of 40 kilometers, then the time taken is going to be equal to 12 hours. Okay, so this is the additional calculation. If required, we are supposed to perform. In the next video, we will see how to solve questions from exercise 4.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.